Hello, I'm Angela Childs, your chef du jour. You can learn a lot about marketing from the culinary world. But first, a little about my background. I am classically trained in boiling water. In fact, I consider myself a gourmet at potatoes, pasta, hard-boiled eggs, and rice in a bag. Okay, so maybe not hard-boiled eggs, but the word hard is in the name after all. You see, cooking and marketing are all about serving up your customers what they want in the right place and at the right time. You don't offer a prime rib dinner to a vegetarian, as you will make them sick. And your timing has to be right as well. That's where I go wrong with the eggs, you see. Maybe I can get some kind of insurance. As far as the right place, you would not go to a 5-star restaurant and expect to see a corn dog on the menu. And you wouldn't go to a corn dog food truck and expect to see caviar. I don't think hot dogs have eggs, but if they do, they probably are not very good, and I recommend avoiding that, okay? You need to make sure your offer is where your audience is. So here are the ingredients for a successful marketing strategy. You need the right audience, the right offer, at the right time, and in the right place. Now, who wants a boiled egg? I'm Angela Moore with 6 Degrees Digital Media, and if you'd like your own commercial, contact us today.